Bitfinex Alpha believes no alt-season until regulators approve more diverse crypto ETFs beyond BTC/ETH. Altcoin Season. Bitcoin. Bitfinex Alpha believes no alt-season until regulators approve diverse crypto ETFs beyond BTC/ETH as Altcoin Season Index sits at 45 favoring institutional concentration. Crypto journalist. Anas Hassan. Crypto journalist. Anas Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 2 hours ago. Bitfinex Alpha argues that a true alt-season remains unlikely until regulators approve exchange-traded funds, ETFs, for cryptocurrencies beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum, as current market conditions favor continued institutional accumulation in established digital assets over broader altcoin rallies. The exchange's latest analysis indicates that while Ethereum has reached new all-time highs above $4,950, significant capital rotation into higher-risk altcoins awaits the introduction of new investment vehicles and renewed Bitcoin momentum. Current market conditions favor institutional concentration over retail speculation. The Altcoin Season Index currently sits at 45 out of 100, firmly in Bitcoin season territory despite recent altcoin strength. The metric reached a yearly high of 87 in December 2024 during peak altcoin performance, but has remained subdued throughout 2025 as institutional flows concentrate in Bitcoin and Ethereum products. Bitfinex Alpha's August 25 report highlights Ethereum's outperformance following Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell's dovish Jackson Hole remarks, which sparked a broad-based short squeeze across digital assets. Ethereum surged to fresh all-time highs while Bitcoin consolidated in a range-bound pattern between $111,000 and $123,640. Corporate treasury accumulation continues driving Ethereum strength, with companies like BitMine and SharpLink Gaming expanding holdings beyond $10 billion collectively. However, this institutional demand remains concentrated in established assets rather than spreading across the broader altcoin ecosystem that would signal a traditional alt-season. ETF flows create structural headwinds for altcoin rally. Bitcoin ETFs experienced $1.18 billion in net outflows over the past week, while Ethereum ETFs lost $197 million in a single day, marking the second-largest daily exit on record. ETF flows have emerged as the marginal buyer and seller for both major cryptocurrencies, creating volatility that institutional investors seek to avoid in smaller altcoins. Among the notable developments Bitfinex pointed to is the CFTC's expansion of its Crypto Sprint initiative to advance U.S. digital asset regulation, accepting public comments until October 20th to shape rules on leveraged and retail crypto trading beyond spot contracts. The next phase aims to focus on interagency coordination with the SEC on registration, custody, and trading requirements for a unified federal framework. Without regulatory approval for altcoin ETFs, institutional capital remains trapped in Bitcoin and Ethereum products. This structural limitation prevents the broad-based capital rotation historically associated with alt-seasons, when retail and institutional funds flow into smaller cryptocurrencies seeking higher returns. Similarly, the report highlighted the Thailand launch of an 18-month pilot crypto-to-bot program allowing foreign tourists to convert cryptocurrencies into local currency. Still, the initiative focuses on established tokens rather than promoting altcoin adoption. Conversion caps of approximately $16,950 per tourist suggest regulatory caution around broader crypto acceptance. The realized cap growth for Bitcoin has slowed significantly compared to previous all-time high breakouts. Current monthly expansion peaked at 6% versus 13% during late 2024's $100,000 breakthrough, which resulted from the softer risk appetite among institutional investors who drive altcoin cycles. Technical and fundamental factors support delayed alt-season timeline. Market analysts note that true altcoin seasons historically begin only after Ethereum establishes decisive breaks above all-time highs. The 2021 altcoin surge occurred after Ethereum's third attempt at breaking previous records, triggering massive capital flows into assets like Cardano, which gained 400% in 1 month. Current market dynamics mirror early 2021 conditions, with the other/ETH ratio at multi-year lows similar to the oversold setup that preceded the 3-month rally when Solana gained 1,200%, Avalanche rose 1,400%, and Axie Infinity surged 15,000%. However, regulatory infrastructure for altcoin investment vehicles remains undeveloped. As a result, Tim Draper, founding partner of Draper Associates, argued that altcoins ultimately serve as beta testers for Bitcoin improvements, with successful innovations eventually ported to the dominant network. He noted that Bitcoin's market share has increased from 40% to over 60% across multiple cycles, indicating a growing gravitational pull toward the leading cryptocurrency. However, Electric Capital data contradicts this narrative, showing only 2,583 total developers working on Bitcoin compared to 12,931 on the EVM stack and 9,094 on Ethereum. While this data shows venture capital and institutional interest in DeFi protocols, Layer 1 alternatives, and specialized applications continue to grow, it lacks direct investment vehicles comparable to Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. Until regulators approve broader crypto ETF categories, Altseason catalysts remain limited to retail speculation rather than institutional adoption. As it stands now, the regulatory constraints, concentrated institutional flows, and Bitcoin's range-bound behavior create conditions favoring continued Ethereum strength while delaying broader altcoin participation. Significant capital rotation into higher-risk assets is needed to renew Bitcoin momentum and expand investment vehicle availability beyond current BTC/ETH products. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar city executive warns stablecoin interest payments could drain bank deposits like the 1980s crisis. Why is crypto down today? August 25, 2025 XRP price prediction. Whales by $758 million in 8 days. $10 XRP run now officially underway. Press releases. XRP MasterCard launches today. Gemini supports soul mining XRP contracts to unlock daily opportunities. Industry talk. Live crypto news today. Latest updates for August 25, 2025. Bitcoin whale dumps 24K BTC. Triggers $4,000 flash crash. ETH briefly tops $4,900. 1 day ago. By Jai Pratap. Price analysis. Latest ChatGPT 5 predicts XRP, SOL and ETH prices for end of 2025. 4 days ago. By Tim Hackey. Best crypto to buy now in August 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 6 days ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in August 2025. Top new crypto coins. 4 days ago. By Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 1 day ago. By Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in August 2025. 1 hour ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. August 18, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 5 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 7 hours ago. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. July 5, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025. By Ben Beto.